Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the issue that your Samsung Galaxy A17 is not connecting to your PC and you have the alert USB charging only. So at first check the USB cable type. So try changing your cables. Here I do have a cable without the transferring data. And when using without the transmitting data, our phone will just not connect to the PC for transferring data. And here, as you can see, I do have a cable that fits into my phone and can transfer data. Here, as you can see, if I plug my cable into my phone, it will ask me unlock it to phone data. Let's click deny for it at first, so that I can show you how to fix the issue. At first, as I said, check the USB cable, and apart from that, check the phone's port. Charging port, of course. Here, if you have some dust in this port, here, clean it. With, for example, something plastic to remove the dust, or with some very large brush. Of course, without the sharp or something like that edges. No, the painting brush, of course. You can just buy on Temu or something like that, or on AliExpress, cleaning tool to clean, for example, phone, etc. It costs $10 at the highest price. You can buy it and you'll be happy. So after cleaning our port, we can finally move to the next step. As you can see, for the video purpose, I will click deny here. And what to do now? I can't connect to my PC with my phone, and here I know that my cable is transferring data. At first, scroll to the notification bar in your Samsung phone, and here you will be having the USB charging. Tap that again, and here, as you can see, we do have a USB connected controlled by, and here we do have control device, connected device, or this device. We can tap this device or connected device, it doesn't really matter, but here use USB 4. Tap this first one. Now you have to enter your pin again, and now we have enabled the MTP file transfer instead of the only charging. And as you can see, our phone is not only charging, we can transfer the files straight to the PC. And if you want to do it easier, tap here connected device. You may connect then your phone with your PC, but make sure that you are not in, for example, cafe or something like that. Apart from that, go to developer options in the settings. And to do so, at first scroll all the way down to here, developer options, but before their developer options, you have to enable them. So go to about phone, and then you have to go to the build number, which is wait a moment, here in software information, build number. You have to tap this build number 7 times until you'll see here you are a developer. Now go back and tap developer options. Here, search for this option, MTP file transfer. And of course you may enable the USB debugging, but you don't really have to do so. We can search for the MTP, it will be faster, so I want to make you waiting. MTP. As you can see, we don't have anything like that here, so let's just type USB. And here, as you can see, we do have USB debugging, verify apps over USB, default USB configuration. We can tap that, and here, let's tap that. Here, as you can see, default USB configuration, click transferring files and or Android Auto. Be aware that if you are in the cafes, it may be wrong to do so, but if you're not in the cafe, you're in your home, select this first option. Apart from that, you can install drivers on your PC, even though if you did everything here on the phone. Let me move to my screen right now. Here, let me move my phone to the screen. And now we have to open our favorite web browser. Here and here, for example, we have to search for something called Smart Switch. So let's type Samsung Smart Switch. Here, as you can see, we do have Smart Switch mobile apps. We have to accept cookies, and here let's scroll down. Here you have to scroll, and here you have to click here Galaxy. You have Galaxy, and how would you like to connect? USB cable. Here select backup and restore data from PC or Mac, and here, as you can see, we do have something Smart Switch PC download link. Click Windows, and now open the installer. Now your application will be installed. And as you can see, Smart Switch can be installed while the mobile is connected. Disconnect your phone and click retry. You know that you are in the good way when you have this alert that your phone is connected. You have to accept the license agreement, and then go further. And now we can just check the create shortcut on desktop and run Smart Switch. And now you don't really have to do anything, just have your Smart Switch run, and now you can plug your phone into your PC and type allow here. Click confirm, cancel, and now, as you can see, we do have here retry. I don't know why it's not now connected. Let's do this again. More, continue, more, allow. And now we can be connected. So we don't have to do anything like this now. The only thing that it's important that now we have drivers installed actually. So now everything should be working because our PC knows that this is our phone, and we can transfer files, restore backup it. So yeah, now we can close this application, close it. And apart from that, the final step from me to you is that you can easily trust the PC. So when you have this prompt on your phone to deny or allow, click allow. It's very important to click this. So as you could see, my Smart Switch didn't want to work when I had it denied. Here you should see a prompt. As you can see, now we don't have this prompt because we made the changes in developer options, but that's how it works actually. Apart from that, we can unplug and replug the phone after changing these settings, all settings. Our phone should now show up in the computer's file explorer, allowing file transfers. So actually that's it for this video. If you still have some problems, it's maybe your USB port in your PC. Try changing different ports in your PC. Try to use the USB 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 ports instead of the 2.0 and 1.0. Try using the USB Type-C cable port too, and it should be working actually. If you have some questions, you can write them in the comments below. If you have some drawbacks to my video and if you want to give me the honest opinion about it, do this, don't hesitate. I want to make videos for you very, very nice and quick. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.